Kamokayao constituency ba nujor ki sungo haboyo ban yakren yak short duration discussion balawanra hapo ki ying dor bar thau ain ka jala mekhalia dau MLA Kamalai constituency ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang hakasngi ka basaw hapo ki ying dor bar thau ain na kabanta kamang tengka jong snem arjar san uba nujor ki sungo ang bangidon kam yakalintirel bakan la ban wanra yak iohkam iohjam badru bansuk hakalait kawan badru hakakhayi kapateng shosho ba nujor ki sungau ong ban nakliang ke UDP walada kala pdiang yak jingmut ban wanra yak lentirel ru hynrei kadang up satang nakarai jong paidbah lau pdiang ne em yak ne ke jingturwa ke jongki.
I'm very much against this short duration discussion which was brought by Bright Starwell. So sir, first of all, as we all know, sir, that railway connection is very important. The railway connection, as has already been mentioned, it has reached to almost each and every part of the state in our country, sir, except even in our Meghalaya also, in Mendipathar. We know it is very important, sir, because once a railway comes, it will generate employment. It will also reduce the cost of transportation and so many benefits that we are getting once a railway line comes up. But from the party side, sir, from UDP, even though we understand that railway line is very much needed, but we have already decided we must go as per the people's point of view, sir. It is not that once the party decided, that will be the final decision. Even though we have decided, but it is the final decision, we leave it to the people or to the public, what is their final decision. So, even though from the party, sir, we subscribe to the idea, as already mentioned by Honorable MLA from Maulai, sir, Bright. The VPP also, they subscribe the idea of having a good strain in our state. We from the party also, sir, we subscribe the same idea, provided that very stringent measures should be in place to check that no illegal influx should come in our state once this railway line is brought to our state. But as I've already mentioned earlier, sir, this is all depend on the people's point of view, sir. Whether they need it or not, we have to go as per the people's point of view. So as a representative from Jaintia Hills, sir, our people has the right to decide what they want and what they don't. And the statement that was made by our Honorable Minister, Shri Kalman Shilla, sir, it has nothing to do with politics, sir. We never had that kind of idea where Jaintia or Panar is different or Khasi or Langam is different. We as a party, I subscribe with the idea that has already been stated by Arden. We are one, sir. We are united. But there's some point which we Jaintia people need to stand and decide on our own. And it's really strange, sir, from the VP side, everything in this very simple statement, they term it as a divisive politics. So let me just bring to the knowledge of this House, sir. This statement that was made by Honorable Minister has nothing to do with politics, sir. This is purely what the people of Jaintia Hills want, sir. If they want the railway to come to Clariot, let it be. If the people of Jaintia decide they are against the railway line, we are with the people, sir. So this has nothing to do with this divisive politics. We are totally stand on the ground that we are with the people of the Jaintia. Let them decide what they want. So with this very few submissions, sir, I would like to thank you once again. I resume my seat, sir.